Hey y'all, I'm going to show you how you can make your press-ons last for up to 3 weeks. I did these French nails a while back and I was installing them the other day and I was like, let me tell them what to do. So the first thing you want to do is you want to rough up the inside of the press-on before you start to apply it. So I just did this with a sanding band, medium grit, and I did that on every single nail. After you're done, go ahead and spray some alcohol on a lint-free wipe and wipe off all the dust from the inside of the press-on. Next, you want to use that medium grit sanding band to take the shine away from the natural nail. So you're going to go ahead and do that for all 10 nails. Again, wipe off all that dust because anything trapped between the press-on and the natural nail can cause lifting. Then you're going to want to use some type of primer. I use brush on glue and glue nail dryer spray. So I always want to fit the tip first to make sure it still fits. Then we're going to go side to side with the brush on glue and apply the press ons one by one. You're going to want to press down pretty firmly to get them to stay. And that's it. They're all installed and they should last for up to 3 weeks, sometimes even longer.